Hello, dear lovely friends. Namaskar. This is Madriba Monhim. Once again, I hope you're doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, today in this video, I wanna discuss with you very important things for improve our vocabulary. Today I wanna share with you some way of learning vocabulary. So, first of all, learn in context, and it's a very important things. Try to read stories, articles, and different types of English books, and try to focus on how words are used in these sentences and these texts. Okay, and watch different types of videos or listen to conversation, and try to identify how native speakers they use vocabulary. How native speakers use vocabulary. That is the way of learning, and we can learn some vocabulary like their way. Okay, then the next thing is that try to repeat their speech again and again, and practice daily. That's the another things, and learn minimum 5 to 10 new words daily, and revise old words to strengthen memory. Okay, মানে প্রতিনিয়ত 5 থেকে 10টা নতুন ওয়ার্ড শেখার পরে পুরনো যে ভোকাবুলারি গুলো রিপিট দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব, আমরা রিভাইজ দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব. ওকে, দেন there are so many way to improve our vocabulary, and we should learn some synonyms and antonyms. It's very effective and expanded your vocabulary by learning related word. Okay, and sometimes we need to understood the root words. As for example, root words mean main words, and sometimes we can use some suffix or prefix. That's the important things. And as for example, bio and biology. Bio root words bio and biology, ঠিক আছে, সাফিক্স যুক্ত করব। আর যদি বলি বায়োগ্রাফি, তাহলে এটা কি প্রিফিক্স, ঠিক আছে, সামনে পিছনে যুক্ত করে নতুন একটা ওয়ার্ড তৈরি হলো, মিনিংসটা পরিবর্তন হয়ে গেল. সো লাইক দিস ওয়ে উই ক্যান ইমপ্রুভ আওয়ার vocabulary and be consist and patient to learn new things. Okay, and learn vocabulary takes time and regular practice. For any kinds of improvement, practice is the most important things and the effective way to learning. Okay, so that's the thing. So I think this is very important for improve our vocabulary, and we can practice, we can try to learn so many things for improve our speaking, for learning a new vocabulary. So that's the way. Thank you, and thanks for watching me. Thanks for your support. All the best. Bye bye.